Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today we are playing Roblox Epic Minigames. And this game is a game basically based on a game with a lot of mini games in it that you can complete to get or prizes or some stuff like that. So we are joining this game, and we are going to be playing some mini games today. So I hope that there's a minigame as soon as I jump into this. And yes, guys, I got a keyboard and a new mouse. I'm going to use for Roblox. I always try to get up here. Oh, I got it. Got it. So, guys, I got the Doge thing from the catalog, and this is what I look like. I got my pet turtle. I got music notes floating around me when I walk. It's like a music note trail. Okay, so this minigame is toxic reactions. Basically, the color that it shows on this little screen right here, or if you do the water, it's jumping. So what color is the screen going to show? Green. Get it green, or else that will happen. Oh, get the blue. Alright, I'm on blue. Alright. Now what color? Blue still. Color red. I think I'm one of the fastest people here, I think. Blue. And red. I got on the red first. I was the first person to get on red. Yellow. Oh yes, we won, guys. Winner Soccer King underscore, yeah. I forgot all of the names that it listed off right there. But my name was first up there. I did not know why. It's usually like last or something. But guys, this is what I'm saving up for. I'm for the 70th game right now. This is what I am saving up for. I'm saving up for this lion. 750 coins. Oh, where is it? Where did it go? Oh no. Oh, this is not going to follow them. I did not see the green button. Guys, you better have made me call the right button. Oh yes! We are survivors, guys. We are survivors of this one. There it is, right there. It's going to be very that way. It's right there. Only two people on that one. I thought it was that one. Which one is correct? Okay. I am so thankful I did not go on that one right over there. Right. There it is right there. It's very hard to keep track. I think it's this one. Yes, it is. Just hoping that it is. Hoping that it is. We're going. And look at this one. Okay, so it's right there. Right there. This one. Right. I hope we got it right. If we did it, I don't know. We would be sinking into the toxic water. Oh my god! You got it right, guys. Yes! Winner is Morgan. And yeah, see, I wasn't first this time. I don't know why my name was listed first last time. Pretty weird though. Pressure. Sure, there's smoke you can't go on, but it will do this to you. Ooh!
Alright, guys.
I am the guy that's going to release the pressure, so there's some people over there. Oh, I killed one. I killed someone. Oh, I killed two people. And do that one. Oh, I killed someone. Oh, man, I was so close. Oh, I got someone. Man, I wish you could do two at a time. I'm really bad at this. I think oh my god. Yes, do that one. Go, 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 go. Someone go into the smoke. Oh man, I almost got that. Wait, I need to stand back so they don't see where I'm going. Oh man. Right. At least I won too. Look at that pet that she has. Oh my god. That is huge. My line's gonna be it's gonna be attacking that polar bear. It's gonna be like it's gonna be huge, like bigger than both of us, like this. Be like this. Right. This one's like dodgeball. Whoever has the most dodgeballs on their side at the end loses. We need to get rid of all these. Like bang, bang. Take those. Bang. Don't kick them backwards, guys. Go, 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 go. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. We got this. We got this. What? They keep on kicking them. I don't get a chance to kick them. Oh, oh. I kicked one. I kicked one. I kicked one. Wait, I kicked another one. I don't know if it's kicking or punching or throwing. Right. Go. Get this one. Get this one. Wait. No, no. It repelled off the net. Okay. We're going. We're going to lose. We're definitely going to lose. Get rid of all these. Oh! Oh! There was a tie! We both won. Hey guys, look at that. I got 300 coins. 300 coins. I'm at level 8 and I got 61 wins. I've been playing this for a long time. Well, that person does because they're at them, they're kind of level 20. They're kind of having 386 wins. So, oh no, I do not like this one at all. I'm turning shift lock on for this one. I do not like this one at all. Oh no, I do not like this one. I'm not a big fan of this one. So you can touch them, but they push you back. Guys, we're doing this right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay on the side, stay on the side. Stay on the side, stay on the side. Guys, I am trapped. I'm trapped, guys. I'm trapped. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Glitch, 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 glitch. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this. Just die. No! I died. Man. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry that this is a short video, and make sure to like the video if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're almost at 30 subscribers. We got 22 subs right now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh man, that was a beep! Hey guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!